doesn't go back. So I have to replace this. And the other thing is, so it just keeps on doing that on a regular interval. So here's the inside of that. This is still the genuine Toto parts. I'm replacing this, as you heard. This just keeps on releasing water, and this one is broken. This one here. So we have to see what's wrong with that. CST 634 CEF. So I have to remove this. I have a plier here. Okay. There. Now it's easy. So I have this long nose plier. That's what we need. Yeah. Now I can remove this. There you go. So, what is wrong with this? What's the mechanism? I will put this under the light. Just to show you clearly, I put it on a black background. Here's the thing that I'm talking about. And it's supposedly be here. So that's the old one. And it should hold this one here. It goes like this, going down, going. When you press it, it will go like this. So nothing is holding this part. That's why it doesn't return anymore. So this is the replacement. I ordered it from Amazon. That one. How I know that that is the part? I took it from here. This is the model I have. CST 634 CEF. They have all common trip lever, which is THU00 pound sign $. Okay, so this is of course the polished chrome for Toto. Looks like this. It's straight. This one is not straight. I hope this works. If not, we'll just return. I bought this from searched this in Amazon and they got this. They protect it. Ooh, okay. Oh, it's also bent. And I'm just curious. I'm gonna remove this. I'm always curious. That's how I figure out things. Oh, actually, you can see it here, but see, I can see it now. But for you guys, let me give you a better view. I got the bigger Phillips head. Yep. So, let's see. There you go. Now, Oh, see that? See? It's all closed compared to this. Look, open now. So I hope this is a better design, because what they did is they have this all metal here. Oh, I hope that's a good one. Maybe this broke last. I don't know what's. No, it doesn't look. It doesn't look like it has that metal on top. Okay, it's time to replace this. So now let's put this back before we ruined everything. Yeah, there you go. Okay, it's tight. We have this, goes like that. And then this is the nut to lock it in place. Put this in here. And the lock. Of course, it goes flat on this side because this is where you hold it to rotate it, to tighten it. Okay, let's see. No. Oh, this is tight. Maybe it's supposed to get in, but let's see if we can put that in. No, it's tight. Looks like this rubber is too big. I'm just gonna remove it. Doesn't fit. This is a generic trip lever, so the hole of my toilet is kind of big, small. So now it gets in. Oops, other way. Because my original one or the other one doesn't have that rubber. So I think it's for cushion. It's in the middle, put it in the middle. There. Now test it. There you go. There you go. This is, let's see if, I don't know if that will help resolve that. This is a different problem. You notice it went back. And I press and it looked. That's a good design. And for this is too tight in here, so did not move. Did not need to use this. But I'm gonna keep this just in case. So the remaining one you have to fix is this one.